Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to log apps in any Samsung phone. So guys, we are going to use a third-party application here. So firstly, just go to the Play Store and install the application name AppLog. So this one is the application AppLog Pro, AppLog and Guard. Just install this application. Okay, after that, just click to open. Now set up the password. Verify the password again. Okay. Now required permission for this. Click OK, permit, allow, and that is it. These are all the default log app which will log by default. If you want to log other applications like camera, so you can tap here. The application is now logged. Contacts. Okay. Now go back and let's see. When I open up the gallery, it required the password. So all these applications which I set for the app log is now required password. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.